Quality 1.5 inches wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the Honda Ridgeline's original hub. The Honda Ridgeline's wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Honda Ridgeline hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the Honda Ridgeline weight is not placed on any 1.5 inches wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric 1.5 inches wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric 1.5 inches wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These 1.5 inches wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the Honda Ridgeline's weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality 1.5 inches wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many 1.5 inches wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum 1.5 inches wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best 1.5 inches wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric 1.5 inches wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the 1.5 inches wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric 1.5 inches wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling 1.5 inches wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of 1.5 inches wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling 1.5 inches wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.